Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share group chat invite link on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all we can open our Instagram group chat. So we can go to the Instagram direct message, tap on this message icon, and then you're going to open your group chat. And for example, I'm going to share the group chat invite link of this group chat, so we can click on this group chat to open it. Then if you want to share the group chat invite link, you just need to click on this group chat's name right here. Then you're going to click on invite link. Okay, and here are three options for you. You can select copy, send in Instagram, or share. If you want to share to another application, you can click on share. But if you want to send this group chat invite link in Instagram, you can click on send in Instagram. You can also copy this group chat invite link. And I guess that's how we can share group chat invite link on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.